Your ancestors. The corporate-controlled media is demonizing this as a bunch of teabagging rednecks. And guess what? Fuck them! That's not what this is about. This is about restoring the Constitution and the Bill of Rights. That's what it is. That's what it's being flown forward now. Now, if that makes me an extremist, you know what? I'm extremely fucking free. I'm a free man. You all are. Freedom is a choice. It's that simple. Our ancestors flew this against a tyrant named King George III and against the Bank of England. We fly this against the tyrants in D.C. and on Wall Street and the motherfucking Federal Reserve System. This song is about that. It's called Don't Tread on Me.